The end of the European football season is near, and in this video, I will be sharing with you good football leagues that you can still trade with during the preseason period. Before I begin, I'd like to thank my channel members who have made it possible for others to access my football betting strategies for free. As a token of appreciation, you will have access to the Football Betting Bible book for free if you haven't received yours yet. Just click on my Instagram link in the description box, follow me on Instagram, and ask for the PDF. Now back to the topic. The football leagues that will be in action during the European preseason period and are easy to analyze include the Brazilian Serie A, Bolivian League, Argentine Professional League, and Uruguayan Primera Division. These leagues are good for under 3.5 goals betting or over 1.5 goals value betting, although I prefer under 3.5 goals for those. The Japanese League, Korean League, MLS, and the Canadian League are good for over goals betting. The American NWSL, which is the women's league, is also great for over goals betting. For those who use 1xBet, if you are good at form analysis, you don't need to have a favorite league. Just go to a website called 4Bet. This site is like a shopping mall for daily football betting predictions across all leagues in action. From there, you can choose your games, do your own analysis to confirm their predictions, and then place your bets. For more information on this, watch this video. I advise that you watch the highlights of these leagues to improve your understanding of them. If you are afraid of losing money and want to have safer outcomes, you can use the method I applied last season, doing my analysis, waiting for 30 minutes or until halftime to follow the trends of the match, and then placing live bets on games. To know more about this live betting technique, watch this video for more details. In my next upload, I will be sharing a tutorial video on how to use SofaScore to analyze games for the highest success rate. I will dive into everything you don't know about the app and all the tools you haven't been using, which will improve your betting game, especially during this period. So click on the notification bell now so you won't miss it. And if you still haven't followed me on Instagram, click on the link in the description box and let's connect.